Hi everyone. So the first assignment we'll be doing in PowerPoint is called Pets. So go ahead and open PowerPoint, New, and choose Blank Presentation. And the first thing we'll do is choose Design, and the particular design theme they want is called Intrigal. And then they also want you to change the color, and the color options, there are different, I mean, you can pick anything you'd like, but I just wanted to, I'll go with the book. So the book picked the very first design. Then they went to colors and chose yellow, orange. But you can choose anything you'd like. And these are called placeholders, and you're going to click and type information in those. So you'll type the information, and they want you to change this is size 50, which is fine, but they wanted the font here, so you can select that cell and then just do Control A, and they want the font increased to size 32, and they want just the word quality in green. You can put it in bold as well. Now it's time for a new slide. So before we go to a new slide, we're actually going to insert a picture, clip art picture. So choose Insert, Pictures, and you should have them saved on your desktop. And the picture they want is right here, Support Puppy Love. So go ahead and click that and insert. And then you're just going to drag it to the top and then make it go to the bottom of they think they went a little bit below, but if you want to keep it even, that's fine. So now we're ready for a new slide. So you can choose Home and then click New Slide, or if you hover over it, it comes up Control M, and that will give you a new slide. And the slide that they gave you, the layout, if you wanted to check, it's called Title and Content. And what I'm going to do is change it to, instead of just title and content, to content. So all I did was, I still have the title, but I have an area for information that I'm going to type on the left side, and then I'm going to insert a picture on the right side. So let me fill out this information for you. So for the bulleted items, I chose the down arrowing bullets and selected the arrow. And then the same thing, when I didn't want a bullet on a side heading, I would choose none. They have emergency care in bold and preventative care in bold. And then routine checkups is also in bold, and 1/3 is underlined. Then we'll get a picture. So you can go right to pictures instead of actually clicking insert. So I'll do it right from here, pictures, and it's this one right here, and insert. And then we're going to move this, and at the bottom of this we're going to do those paw prints. So click outside the picture, insert again, picture, and you want the paw prints, and insert. And then we're just going to rotate it so that it's on its side and underneath. There you go. So ready for a new slide. Control M. And again, it repeats the same slide layout that you used on the previous slide. For this slide, I do not need the two separate boxes, so I'll go to Layout and just choose Title and Content. So this one's just going to have a title, Grooming Services, and then a picture. So go right into picture, and this one is grooming, and insert. And the next, and again, if you wanted to, this wasn't in the book, but if you wanted to add a rounded diagonal or some type of frame around the picture, you could. You could also go into picture effects and reflection, maybe put a reflection on the picture if you wanted. You could also go into picture effects, and there's a shadow effect. There's also a glow if you wanted on the picture. So you can do it anything you want. I'm going to take the reflection out. So if you don't want the reflection, just choose none. So we're ready for a new slide. So Control M, and you get your fourth slide. And this slide, I do want the to layout, so I'm going to go to Layout and choose To Content. And I'll put in the information, and we'll insert two pictures. So you have your title, and we're ready to insert 2 pictures underneath each picture. So you'll choose Insert, Picture, and we want the dog shaking his hand. And you may have to adjust it. Maybe it's a little too big for the slide. And then one on the right side. Insert, Picture, and this one is the group of dogs. And again, maybe resize it a little bit so they match. And again, it's your choice if you want to put a frame around the pictures. If you wanted to, this is a nice effect. If you were to go to Picture Effects, you select one picture, choose Picture Effects. It's under 3D Rotation, and I'm going to choose, this one is Perspective Right. And then I'll select the other picture, go right back to 3D rotation, this time to choose perspective left. So if you wanted to have that effect, you could. So that's a save and submit. And again, if you wanted to go into, because the backgrounds are very plain, if you wanted to add background colors to it under Format Background, feel free to add that from the last assignment. Do you remember how to, I'm going to make this the same size, to get rid of the white background? Again, you would select the picture, Picture Tools Format, Color, the Set Transparent marker, click behind it. And you could do the same thing for the paw prints if you wanted to get rid of the background. They call it eyedropper. And there you have it. So it's up to you what you'd like to add or change to this, but it's only 4 slides. So go ahead and save and submit.